French Revolution. Up to 9th standard, we only study Indian history. Now onwards, we study world history. Let us we study about French Revolution. French Revolution broke out in the morning of 14th July 1789. In France, on the morning of 14th July 1789, the city of Paris was in a state of alarm. The French Revolution broke out. A group of several hundred people marched towards the eastern part of the city and stormed the Bastille jail. The commander of the Bastille was killed and the prisoners released. The French people all are hated by the Bastille jail. It stood for because it stood for the despotic power of the king. Then let us study how and why did it happen. Now we study the causes of French Revolution. During the French Revolution, France was ruled by Louis XVI of the Bourbon family. He married the Austrian princess Marie Antoinette. At that time, French treasury was empty. Now we study reasons for French empty treasury. First reason is long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Second reason is under Louis XVI, France helped 13 American colonies to gain their independence from their common enemy, Britain. Third reason, cost of maintaining an extravagant court at the immense palace of Versailles. These are the reasons for empty treasury. Then, Louis XVI, to meet its regular expenses, the state forced to increase the taxes. At that time, the 18th century, the French society was divided into three estates. First is clergy, second is nobles, third is peasants and artisans. The members of the first two estates, that is clergy and nobility, enjoyed certain privileges based by birth. They exempted from the taxes and only the third estate only pay the taxes. The increasing tax that burden full of the third estate, peasants and artisans. Then that was the situation of that was the French society during the French Revolution. Then next we study the struggle to survive during that time. 1789, that time, every time the French people faced the subsistence crisis. What is subsistence crisis? An extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered. That is the subsistence crisis. Now we study reasons for subsistence crisis. The population of France increased. First reason is the population of France increased during the French Revolution. The rapid increase of population increased the demand of food grains. At that time, the production of grains did not keep pace with the rise in prices. Then also follow the drought or hail reduced the harvest. The situation become worse. These are the reasons for subsistence crisis. We already studied during the old regime that society is divided into three estates: peasants, nobles, clergy. The peasants have third estate have all the burden of taxes. This time frequently France faced the subsistence crisis also. The third estate become very difficult to live. At that time, the 18th century, witnessed the emergence of social groups, growing middle class. The 18th century new social groups emerged, termed as the middle class, because those people from third estate earned from wealth through an expanding overseas trade and from the manufacture of goods such as woolen and silk textiles that were either exported or bought by the richer members of the society. These middle class, they believed that No group in society should be privileged by birth. Rather, a person's social position must depend on his merit. Then also they influence the philosophers. Some of the philosophers also influence this middle class. Which are the philosophers influence the middle class? First is John Locke, second is Rousseau, third is Montesquieu. John Locke, in his book Two Treatises of Government, he sought to refuse the doctrine of the divine and absolute right to the monarch. He against the monarch. Second philosopher, Rousseau, carried the idea forward, proposing a form of government based on a social contract between people and the representatives. The Montesquieu, another philosopher, he wrote in his book The Spirit of Laws. He proposed a division of power within the government between legislative, executive and judiciary. These are the ideas of these philosophers. These philosophers' idea influenced the French revolutionaries. These ideas of these philosophers were discussed intensively in coffees, saloons, everywhere, and spread among people through books and newspapers. These are the reasons for the French Revolution. All of you understand up to this portion? All of you write the note. First question is reasons for empty treasury. Second question is what is subsistence crisis? Reasons for subsistence crisis. Then how is French society during French Revolution? Then influencing of philosophers in French Revolution also. These are the questions. All of you write the note and send it to me through WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.